Hey Arena 7, here are the weekly updates for the 25th through the 27th of November. What do you get if you divide the circumference of a pumpkin by its diameter? Pumpkin pie. Look, and it's a pineapple. Huge shout outs to the following people last week. Annalie and Romario both did observations that were confirmed as research grade observations last week on iNaturalist, which I think is pretty cool. So all the work that they did can now be used in global databases. Well done. Big shout out to everyone who went to rock the boat last week. We went and checked on oyster health in the Bronx River. A special shout out to Captain Keith and Captain Daniel, both who did fantastic works as captain. And then Daniel, for all his work he's been doing on senior portfolio, he made a really fantastic presentation, walked us through a bunch of stuff last week. It was cool. Critical reminders. 27 is our class goal. We got to hit that by the end of this week. And then our stretch goal is 32. Last week, I did not think there was any possibility that we were going to hit those goals, but we are actually exceptionally close to being able to do that. Last week, I think we earned 8 or 9 credits last week alone, and we have a bunch that are right on the edge. So huge shout out to the people who earned credits last week. Yesenia, Drew, Natasha, Samuel, Destiny, 2 credits for Destiny, Jeremy, and I'm definitely missing some people. And then we have a bunch of people who are really close to earning credits. So if they're here for a day and they do 4 or more tasks, then they will earn these credits. That's Jeremy, Annalie, Ryan, Destiny, Yesenia, Jayla, Manuel, and Lori. And then, I did not do this calculation at all. These numbers are all messed up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So there's 7 credits that could be earned tomorrow, putting us at 23.5. And then there are a bunch of people who have less than 10 tasks remaining. And that's 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 26.5 credits could be earned. That's some crazy talk. It's less than 10 tasks. Reminders on things we're looking for in class. Please make sure you're managing cross-room conversations. If I can hear it from across the room, that's a cross-room conversation. I'm checking in with people this week. Top of my list are Ryan, Natasha, Drew, Jayla, Yesenia, Emily, Keith, Christy, and Samuel. All who I haven't met with in a while, but we'll be setting some target graduation goals. We're going to be estimating the number of tasks that are remaining in the course, and we'll talk a little bit about that. But basically, we want to figure out how many tasks per day you need to do to graduate. Here's what's going on this week. It's a kind of interesting week. So on Monday, we're going to have group. Then either Daniel or Rochelle is going to give a presentation around 12:30 or 1:30. There's going to be an Earth Science debate from 1:30 to 2:30. Rock the Boat is Tuesday, and this is our second to last one for the season. Rochelle's birthday is on the 27th, and then we're going to have a school-wide feast on the 27th as well from 12 to 2:30. Rochelle's birthday, as I mentioned, is the 20th. Oh, sorry. And then we also have 2 days off, the Thursday and Friday for Thanksgiving recess. So Rochelle's birthday, school-wide feast, Thanksgiving recess. Those are the things that are coming out. This is the general overview of the day. If you have questions about that, you come bother me. Regents plans, we're going back to, as a reminder, everybody who is interested in taking the Regents should show that they're interested in taking the Regents and prepare to actually pass it by taking a mock Regents and completing a course in that subject area. In Arena 7, if you have not done those things, I am not going to actively put your name on the list to take the Regents. If you have a question or concern about that, please, please, please let me know. That's all. Let's go Arena 7.